Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the costing and the pricing of Wix Studio websites or Wix websites. Both have the same pricing I guess, which you can use to calculate the pricing for your personal project or your client's project. My name is Ashok. I'm a certified Webflow and Wix Studio developer at Wix Designs, where we build website templates and offer services to businesses. Okay, so let's dive into the video. Okay, so currently I'm in my FigJam board in Figma, where I have created this content for you, explaining the different type of cost for your website and also the pricing. Right, before we start with the pricing, let's start with the cost. Right, so you must have a domain, because this costing is not we are not adding any domain here. You must have a domain before, or you can purchase a new domain from GoDaddy or any other services that you like, right? And no hosting needed here, since Wix Studio or Wix provides you hosting, so you don't need any hosting. You just have to pay them monthly subscription, and you will get everything that you need to run a successful marketing website or a store, right? So let's start with the pricing first, then we'll go to this costing here for the development of the website, right? So if you are coming from US, UK, Australia, or any other countries like Singapore, right, the pricing is different to countries from US and UK compared to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and all these Asian countries, right? So as you can see here, they charge you like $20 a month. The basic starts with $12, standard is $20. Basic means if you don't need any e-commerce store, right, then you can start with the $12 a month. In that you get 3 site collaborators, 10 GB of media storage, where you can upload your photos, your files, anything that you want. Let's say video, right, you can upload there. You get the site analytics and free domain for 1 year, right? So this is for the basic website. Let's say marketing website, you have 5 page, 10 page. There is no page limit here, so it's good compared to other no code providers, right? So it's good that you don't get here any page restrictions. You can create unlimited pages in this basic plan, and I think it's best for companies who don't need to accept payments from online, right? Okay, so next one is the standard one, and this is what I suggest to my clients, because it comes up with the payments and 50 GB of media storage compared to the basic one, right? You can also get this plan, and you can add multiple videos, images, large image files, and they will auto optimize it automatically for you. You don't have to even upload WebP images anymore in Wix or Wix Studio. They will optimize it for you, right, for faster performance of your website, right? So this is a standard $20 a month if you are building your website in US and getting hosting from there, right? Then you, in this you get hosting and all other things that you need to run a website successfully, right? So you can go to Wix Studio and go to their pricing page and check out these all these features, right? These 20,000 CMS items. For what is that? So you get this CMS feature where you can create CMS items per collections, right? Let's say in one collection you have team members. In that you add 10 team members of yours, right? Then it counts like 10 items that you have used, so you get 4,000 CMS items there in the standard plan. I think this is the best plan for all small businesses or the large businesses who need to accept payments and they need more space for their website, right? 50 GB of media storage, that's huge. You can get this plan, and if you need to upgrade in the future, you are exceeding your limits, then you can upgrade to this plus plan also, right? So this is for the countries like US, UK, and Singapore and Australia. And if you talk about the India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, I don't know about Pakistan and Bangladesh, but for us in India, it's way cheaper. It's way cheaper. Like basic plan, we get 230 rupees, right? Rupees like 230 is like $3 I guess per month, and this one is standard plan is $5 per month that we have to pay them. We have to pay Wix Studio $5 per month, and that we get the same these features that you are getting for $20, right? So For example, if we build a website for you and we manage your website from our account, then you'll have to pay these amounts, because we will create a payment link for you and we will send it to you. You can pay this amount. But if you pay, let's say if you create account in your account website and then you need this plan, right, then you'll have to pay $20, not 399 rupees, right? It's $5. So that was pricing of Wix or Wix Studio websites. In that you get advanced dev tools, means you can create a web apps also. In this you can create web apps because they give you npm and other features that you need to create a web apps in Wix Studio. Login, sign up, all these functionalities that you can use, right? If you have not checked out my Wix Studio versus Webflow comparison video, you can learn more about these things there, right? You get this AI responsive designs. You can ask AI to responsive, make your sections responsive, that they can do collaborative workspace. You can invite someone. You can invite, let's say, SEO guy. You can invite a marketing guy who can run ads for you, right? Other person, copywriters, they can come to your website from invitation and they can make changes and make it live, right? So you can go to the plans and learn more about these plans. And now let's move on to the costing of your Wix or Wix Studio website, right? So first thing, you must have a domain here. If you don't, you can purchase domain. If, as you can see here, they give you this connect domain. If you don't, they will ask you want to purchase or not. Otherwise they give you a 1 year of free domain that you can get from Wix Studio, right? Your preferred domain. No hosting needed, since everything is covered under the plans given by Wix Studio here, or the Wix websites here. Everything is covered here, so you don't need to worry about the hosting anymore. Like in WordPress, you have to host your website somewhere else, let's say Hostinger, or I don't know, HostGator. Yeah, HostGator, you have to host a website there. Here you don't have to do anything, right? Everything is covered by Wix platform. So there are two ways to build a website. Either you choose a template or you create a custom website. So in custom website, there are two options for you. In template, there is just one option, right? So let's start with the template and then we'll move on to the custom website. So if you, let's say, start with the template here. So Wix team already built few templates for you guys that you can select those templates and you can just customize it, the colors, typography, and imagery, other things that you need to make your website look like your branding, your brand guidelines, right? Your colors, logos, and everything that you can customize yourself, right? But let's say you don't want to use Wix Studio templates, right? That built by the Wix Studio team, but you found one template on the marketplace, or let's say on our website we also sell templates. So let's say if you find template on my website, you go there, you find this startup template and you download that template and import that to a Wix Studio or your Wix account, and then you can customize it easily, right? That is also you can do. So if we talk about the costing of these templates, right, it's very easy. It depends on if you are choosing a freelancer or an expert team to customize a template for you. If you choose a freelancer, then the cost would be $5 to $40 USD, mostly around $20, I guess, if you work with developers in countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. But if you choose a developer from countries like UK, US, or Australia, Singapore, the pricing would be different, right? Because the cost of living there is also different and high, right? And for that reason, you can make this decision. It's up to you, but this is how much they charge you, right? So that's what. Let's say if you choose a template, if you are just starting up, and you need a website, you need to go live for your startup, for your small business, then find a template and then hire someone on Fiverr or Freelancer or Upwork. They will customize it, and under 500 USD, your website will be ready to go live, and you can connect it with your domain. The developer will help you connect with your domain and you can make the website live, right? I'm not adding any cost of like SEO and Google ads and Facebook ads here. I'm just talking about the development cost of building a Wix website or Wix Studio website, right? So that was the template one. And now let's move on to the custom website. So sometimes you may have your own designs, right? In Figma or in Adobe XD or in any other platforms, right? Sketch, I guess, right? So you have your designs and now you need someone, a developer or expert team to help you build a website for you, right? So there are two options under that custom website. Either you go with the freelancer or you go with the expert agency, right? It's up to you. But if you go with the freelancer, you can find them on Upwork, People Per Hour, Fiverr, Contra, or FB groups. You can find them there and you can contact and you can calculate, discuss the pricing and other things that you need for your website, custom website, right? So for freelancers, if you go with the freelancer, the costing would be $5 to $40 USD for countries like us, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Or if you go with let's say in US or UK or Australia, they would charge you from 100 USD up to 300 USD. I've seen people charging that much, right? $80, $120, $150. They charge you that much, and the freelancers only charging you that much, right? So it's up to you who to go with. Both are good. Both are like the developers certified, might be certified or may not be certified, but you can go with them, right? It's up to you if you want to with local people so that you can connect easily during your daytime, right? If you choose, let's say India and you are from US, then the time difference is there. Let's say if you find Indian people, they will work during the day when it's your night time, right? So it's up to you. If that works for you, you can try that out also. But there are some pros and cons of working with freelancers. So mostly freelancers are not certified, right? There are few who are certified but mostly not certified, and they offer you, let's say, low cost websites. Means it comes up with some baggages also, like they don't have system, can do only one thing at a time, right? Let's say if you find a developer, they will just do build a website for you. They won't come up with the ideas for SEO optimized, technical SEO optimized, right? The page structure and the conversion focused websites, right? They don't think from that perspective. They just help you build the website. That's it. They won't help you with other things that you need to consider while building a website. But there is another option, the expert agency that you can rely on for your website. You can find them on Wix Marketplace or the Wix Studios Contra page. Right now on the Contra, it's a freelancer platform, but they are agencies and certified listed developers are there. The agencies and developers are there. Or you can find them on LinkedIn, the agencies. So there are some pros and cons to work with agencies. They are certified by Wix. Wix take exams and they give the certifications. There are some rules you have to follow to get certified, right? So they are certified. They are high cost, but they give you the proper system for your website from scratch. Let's say CMS system or any custom development system you needed, they will help you out with that, right? They can do multiple things like branding, web, and SEO for you. Means if you need a custom website but you don't have your branding, you don't have designs, and you don't have SEO guys, then they will help you with everything that you need. They will do branding for you, they will do SEO for you, they will do web design and development for you. Means they're doing everything for you. So you don't have to go look out for different people for your website, right? So for your new business or for your existing website. Okay, the cost of these expert agencies that charge you is like mostly like 50 to 100 USD per hour in India, countries like India. In, let's say, if you want a fixed price project, right, then it would be like 2000 to 6000 for Figma to Wix conversion, right? Mostly around 4000 USD, or let's say 3500 USD for converting your 5-page or 8-page website from Figma to Wix Studio or Wix. with responsive animations and SEO optimization, like making sure that the page is properly following the Google's core web vitals, all those things that comes under these plans. And if you choose a team from US or UK or Australia, they will charge you around 10,000 above, right? So it depends to whom you are working with, right? So then it depends on you. If you work with countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, the cost would be lower for your website, and the outcome would be higher, very high, right? And if you work with US, UK, it depends on you, right? Because they are also certified and they are charging you more money than countries like us. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you need any free consultation on your Wix website, do reach out to me. Go to my website and schedule a meeting with me, and I'll help you with your queries if you have any queries, and I can help you with building your website also. Until next time, happy creating.